Hey everyone, it's Jazz. I'm here to share my new canvas that I just finished, and this was inspired by the blizzard that we had yesterday. And I used the Gorgeous Girls Winter Friend rubber stamped, and I colored her with my Copic markers. And the background paper that I used was Lost and Found My Mind's Eye Portobello, but I used the 12 by 12. And then what I did, I just adhered the paper with the Mod Podge onto the canvas, and then added paint and gesso all over it. And then I stamp using my Tattered Angel stamps and some of my sentiments, and then added snowflakes. And I used some of the Wild Orchid Crafts flowers, as you can see there. I sprayed it with it's a perfect pearls. I forgot the color, but I know it's the clear one or the white one. I don't know if you can see the shimmer. It's very shimmery. And then I just added some diamonds something. Forgot what it is, but as you can see there. And then I don't know if you can see, I added a little micro, you know those micro beads? I added those to make it look like water, like tiny drops of water. And then what I did, you see all those white on her hair, on her clothes, her shoes, and on the bear, and on the trees. So that's the 3D fabric paint that I use. I always use that if I want to add dimension to my project and to make it look like a snow. So that's what I did. And I added also like some beads that I have in my stash, and then pom-pom trims, and then faux rhinestones, and then metal flowers. So that's pretty much it that I did. So I'm gonna have a video on how I created this soon. I will have to edit it first, and I will post it as soon as I can. So I hope you guys like it, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.